Tòiseachaidh sin fáilte go Chluicheamaid. Ha mé bhí bríomíonn seo dhéanú ar son go bhfuil 3 bliain inis, so ha má bhí Tòiseachaidh agus sin dulach le Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, Òrdugh Crìon a chud míad ar Twitter. Agus ha míad bhí i féimhrí sin géime seo chuig fat mías inis, cheannaigh mí an Xbox a hiú mías ar son Chluicheamaid dhéanú. Suir míon géime seo leis ach fa mé ar son a bhí gachlaigh ar san chiadúd iad a stream. Hí sibh go bhfuil continue agus load journey an mar option o'r fa mi na bithraia a fiach inri jo ire ein etid mohu agus ceol a gemme. Yn le bwlach ceart tast ach ai fatan yn siarad fai. So mae sy'n dal a Tòiseachaidh. Gef yw'r Star Wars. Ha mi dynnu eich lain sy'n dy gra gyfil cor ac edrych fi clwychau'r Jedi Master gyda sy'n maraha cor y fi gachlwychau. Mi sy'n sy'n Tòiseachaidh mi a Jedi Knight girach ar son. Cha fi ra ma gael sy'n ma'n girach y basgyd o hwyl coed chicken. Yn ystach o gybiach. Yn i lefn bia ra sparsa. Mi ar fyran. Ai, ha ui fod ac yma Star Wars chanin. Chanio cainam id yw'r nach ras Star Wars na fars jem behe. Cainam er na siawn video hyn je gehadid Empire Strikes Back. Sio sin. Mi tection fel seo tachart etid yn fesif agus yn cedif etir eternals. Right. Mi'n y cwrsyn y gwn agus lein i hel. Sgyda mi'n yn esgyd awn. Jay hacking on i hel na. Michelle.
Listen, I don't want to upset your rhythm, Cal, but the boss wants a word. Good for us. Here he is, Chief.
Prof.
An error has been detected on line 10A. All our clamps are jammed. I need 2 workers to climb up and secure the cables.
That's not an easy maneuver.
The guild will double your pay for this shift.
Oh, wow.
Cal, what's your score? That couldn't hurt, huh?
Alles gewel etiquette.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Get to work.
Kerst, so dan moet je goppet eet Star Destroyers is misschien tutorial has je aan, ja. Lame? Damn Clone Wars. Here.
Sorry, Cal.
Don't worry about it.
Oh.
I don't think these tools are gonna make
Up
it
here.
shift.
Just mention. Barok lame na
After
pamintu.
you, kid.
Oh, Shashin. Chalet. Yeah. Crack.
Will you look at that? A separatist ship. I haven't seen a Luke or Hulk in ages.
Yeah. Ages.
Breaking her will be big money.
Cast. So, Ashin ye the torch with
All right,
nice and Cade.
let's go.
Harsh. Imagine. Should kill. Son of a mission shot.
Look out!
Hands up!
Oh,
Hey, you okay?
Mario Brothers on him.
Yeah, I'm good. Ladder's out, though. You're gonna have to find another way.
Yeah, no problem. I'll improvise.
See you there, pal.
Jeez. Marshall? City.
Depart this barge immediately. You are not approved trash.
Trash. Just not approved trash.
Oh, how far I can chin the cow. Goed right. En activation. Next. I mean, hier kan er more aan blame hier.
Easy there.
Just passing through.
Strap. Hey, Tòiseach lock me off on the camera.
Hurry up. We're close to finishing ahead of schedule. I can just about taste the credits.
Ah,
Gonna be a wild night tonight. Let's get this job done.
so, I'm expecting to get a natural platformer in the Tòiseach. I can
Reckless
do.
cow.
Good to see you.
You too. Don't get yourself killed.
Oh,
That's the idea.
Shin. Nicht bigger. Bigger aiming on the last one. Oh, oh no, I can be wrong. Yarn. Aha, yeah, ui,
Sounds like scrap rats. Creepy. Just passing through, guys. No need to come out and say hi this time.
Táilte pointse go raibh game ha seo tíineach as nuair a bhún Disney mar Star Wars 13 gin rá gon chail gon do bhrí sin mór an dúd so
Hey, Cal. I'll meet you at the clamps.
Sounds good. Be there soon.
so ha má game úr Star Wars 18 tíad up engine game in Battlefront single player mode. I guess Jedi Knight, Jedi Outcast, Jedi Academy. I shouldn't come did an Xbox. I'm working on the skiing the GIF I have
How'd you get here?
graphics of this
How'd
mission
you
right.
get here?
Huh?
I can't get at it. Okay, the pitch we can find me for oh, so you should mean Shaw. Great, you could bask me anyhow, Harkin. Nope. Madam. Nope. Give me all the way, man. Jakiś inżynierist? Okej. Nicht I should like more on lane or strap. I guess lighting.
Look, the ship cutter is here. There it goes. Hey, we should get moving.
Still leading
we're
lane.
looking out.
Homer Hurricane. Harrison Bridge. Ah, strap. Strap reading your lane. Wachor sin, tío. Aine. Wow. Cheala sin. Seo cheala. So this line.
Hurry, we gotta
Fishing
finish
dull.
before they start cutting this wing.
Oh, can. Oof, oof. Not that you're far luck. Hurricane anyhow. Does she need to
Cal, use the manual
long
override
bin?
lever below.
a level. Smenig me. Smenig fel of asking the least. Yep. Oh, well, right. Cavill a manual override lever. Jack and Shach at this. Nothing not competitive. Nope. Well, goed me een setting nas udas gus nach basgin kus nach. Rashin. Okay. Second person for the shot. Okay. Alright.
Got it. Your turn.
Hold on. All right, climb secured.
Mission the lane. Ow?
Whoa.
Yeah.
You okay?
Ooh.
Still here.
Give me a fright there, pal.
Did it? Was you on a la avistoch or something doing in a shot?
Done.
Hang on. I got this. We're done. Get out up here.
And cached.
Come take a look at this. It's a Jedi fighter. What a score! It's a real scrapping payday. I mean, this thing's been here, what, 4 years?
5.
Whoever flew this went down in a blaze of glory.
You
Those
miss
Jedi.
around.
Real tragedy. Yeah, I've always said they couldn't all be traitors.
Yeah, maybe.
Guess it's just our lucky day. Empire's gonna get a lot of good material out of it. Yeah, here we are, scrapping these ships from the war, just so they can turn around and make new ones. What a racket, huh? All of us risking our necks for the bosses. And the pay was better back here in the Republic, too.
Hey, you really should watch what you say.
Listen to me. Find us free like this, could be your ticket off this soggy rock.
What makes you think I want out of here?
Come on, Cal, you're a young guy. You don't end up like me.
Oh.
Eventually, you gotta move on and live your life. Find your destiny.
Whatever you say. Hey, we should get back down.
You're not listening to me. What is that?
You okay?
Cal! I can't climb up!
Brock, just hang on.
I'm slipping!
No, don't let go.
I can't hold on!
Brock, no! You okay, Brock?
I'm all right. Just pinned down.
Pilot's gone. I'll get us out of here. Just hang on.
Watch out, Cal!
Look out! This thing is barely flying. Hold on! You all right?
Yeah.
This is the boy can around mission.
We gotta move. Come on.
What the hell happened? What was that back there? Was that you? What, that was the Force, wasn't it?
Just forget what you saw, okay? Please
No,
trust
but
me.
I've seen the
Oh,
stories.
Wolf.
I've heard it. There's
Prof,
bounties out on people
I
like
know. I know.
you. Yeah, we're ready. We need to be careful. Yeah.
Oh, Vov. Wel, ik call us gyfel prawf Arabsach. mín dachas.